Hey, Ayo kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will actually be doing a review on an anti-snoring device. And I know it's a little embarrassing for a lot of ladies to talk about snoring and if they snore. But for me, once I got pregnant, snoring was one of my symptoms, and to be honest, it never left. So sometimes it doesn't make me sleep well, or it's embarrassing when somebody wakes up and say you're snoring. But I actually found a solution to my snoring and something that helps me. So I want to put it out there so that it can help other ladies to sleep better. Or even men that snore. I mean, snoring is snoring, guys. So let's talk about it. Alright, so for me, guys, when I got pregnant with my daughter, sleep apnea and snoring was one of my symptoms. So sleep apnea is like when you feel like you can't breathe and you jump out of your sleep and go right, and the snoring. So unfortunately, even after I had her, the symptoms followed me. And so I just have to roll with the punches, right? I mean, I wanted to be a mother. So I found this little anti-snore kit on Amazon where a few items out of the kit actually helped me. Now, this little baby here, it contains different anti-snore devices. So instead of buying things separately and trying them, I purchased this kit. This kit comes with 1 anti-snore tray, 10 nasal strips, 10 pieces of mouth tape, yes, mouth tape, 2 nasal dilators, and 2 nose vents. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys what those actually look like. All right, so starting with the anti-snore tray. So you basically get this tray here, and it contains a little, I'd call it like clay, where when you heat it and bite into it, it creates the form of your mouth. So what you actually do is place this device into your mouth and you sleep with it, but I'll get into that later. The next item from the kit is the nasal strips. So you always see them little something here in another ad. You put it over your nose. Yeah, nasal strip. Mouth tape, and sorry, is what I'm doing with the Lord Jesus. I lost the nasal vent. Right, yeah. So the nasal dilators and vents, I actually use this one. It's very comfortable for me. All right, so coupled together, I use the nasal vent and the clay from the kit. So coupled together, I use these two, right? It's not uncomfortable. You just, if you look at my nose how it is now, you're going to see right here, so widen. So it's almost like it's opening my nasal passage. See that? So as I place it in there, it's opening my nasal passage and it allows me to breathe better. So the only thing that you will see when you have it on is this little thing right here. So it kind of looks like a cute little nose ring, right? Right. Then for the clay, mine is already made. You usually put it in hot water with this little thing, so you don't put your hand down in the hot water. So you put the clay down in the hot water like this and fill it up with the water to about here. It tells you the time and everything on the box that you need to keep it in the water, and then you put it in cool water for like 2 seconds, and then you would take it out, place it into your mouth and bite into it. So once you bite into it, it basically creates the shape of your mouth. So at night you just slip it in You sleep with it like this. There's also a little vent at the front if you're worrying. See? There's a little vent right here. So you can breathe through. What the aim to not snoring is to actually keep your mouth closed. So when I first got the kit to help me keep my mouth closed, because I wasn't used to this, I would put the mouth tape over it. So let me show you. And that would basically keep my mouth closed, right? So once your mouth is closed, you literally have to breathe through your nose, in which you already open the vents. So that would stop and help me from snoring as well. To be honest, guys, since I purchased the kit, I've had some of the best sleep of my life. Because before, the snoring used to wake me up, or as I say, it used to give me the sleep apnea thing where you jump out of your sleep because you can't breathe and all of that. So these devices actually help me. These are the main two. I stopped using the mouth tape because eventually when you use it over and over again, it's like you get used to it. It's not uncomfortable because you bite down into it. So basically it's like the frame of your mouth. But yeah, guys, these are the two things that I actually use to help me sleep. I hope this video was helpful to persons who are looking to, you know, help with your sleeping and the snoring. Right, guys, so in terms of keeping them both clean, so for this I just clean it with hot water soap. For the clay, what I usually do is run it under hot water, and then I put some mouthwash into the tray, maybe like 10 milliliter, close it, shake it around for like 60 seconds, so it would be like you using mouthwash. Then I would drain the mouthwash, and then I would run some hot water over it again, and I keep it in the kit. So that is how I keep it clean and store it. I was gonna say snore it, lol. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you have any more questions on snoring for me, you can go ahead and ask them. All right, ensure to like this video and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, bye.